Hey team, so we're in Carmichael today. We're doing some surface cleaning on the front of this hardscape right here. We're doing a Trex deck, some cleaning, some soft washing. So here we got right here our eco-friendly clean percarbonate. Go ahead and pop that in there. And what that's going to do is we're going to let that just marinate a little bit. And this is what we're going to do to clean our Trex deck. So follow us here in the back as we do our footage here. Take a look at this. Some oil stains here. Some of them been here for years.
Alright, we're gonna let the video run. Enjoy. It's sped up, but you can see the process. Doing our property protection. We don't want to do too much talking here, but here we are commencing with the treatment. We treated it first with the sodium percarbonate, eco-environmental friendly solution in the Trex decking. Let that sit. After that, we commence with the cleaning. The flagstone. I'm gonna stop talking and let you all enjoy the video. Commencing with our rinsing. Now we out in the front. Just retrieving the nail here. That supreme rinse. Now we coming with our post treatment now. Retaining wall, all looking like new. Look at that Trex decking. 15 years old, looking like new. Got some stains there. Important that we pointed that out from the very beginning to our client. But I mean, what another stellar job. Supreme transformation. It's time to pay some bills when we get up out of here. You know the slogan for the Supreme Clean. Make that phone number ring. All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Online at allterrain.com. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.